Good afternoon, Mr. Hendrik. My name is Marcel Thaddeus, and today I will talk about the benefits of general neutral bathrooms and should it be mandatory in all public spaces. Well, general neutral bathrooms or unisex bathrooms are facilities accessible to any person regardless of their gender identity and biological sex. And these type of bathrooms have sparked controversy because of safety and privacy risks and also gained interest in some community because of the benefits and how convenient this type of bathroom is. And in this conversation, I will tell you why that gender neutral bathrooms are very beneficial and should be mandatory in all public spaces. First, the prevalence of gender neutral bathrooms significantly increased in mid-2010s, gaining more attraction in public spaces such as like university campuses around 2012 until 13. In 2014 and 15, it remains a hot controversy until in April 2016, the current president of the United States, President Barack Obama, opened the first gender neutral bathrooms in White House. This action made gender neutral bathrooms a very hot topic and controversy back then. A lot of critics say that gender neutral bathrooms should be restricted because it increased harassment risks and many people give concerns about the safety and privacy risks of the usage of gender neutral bathrooms. However, despite of all of these concerns, some data and research in public spaces such as like schools, workplace, and airports showing that gender neutral bathrooms does not increase risks of does not increase safety risks, but rather give meaningful benefits for users. First, gender neutral bathrooms are highly efficient because they do not need a big space and they can reduce long wait times. Unlike conventional type of bathrooms that needs 2 rooms and like a way, gender neutral bathrooms are very convenient because it's just like a one big room for all people to use, and it can reduce long wait times. For example, in concerts, many cases for example one bathroom is crowded and have long queue lines while others remain unused. So gender neutral bathrooms can help to balance out this demand. And also, gender neutral bathrooms are very convenient for caregivers, parents with young children, and also people that need assistance to go to toilet. And also, it reduces the anxiety and concerns for transgender and non-conforming individuals. So in conclusion, gender neutral bathrooms are highly efficient and beneficial for people to use, and I think, in my personal opinion, should be mandatory in all public spaces. Thank you.
It is very convenient and secure. Woman, and then there is a male in the line.
I think that we are, for example, like this type of bathrooms does not meet the East culture because we, for example, like Indonesian, are not used to this type of bathrooms. But in places such as like America, United States, and Europe, this type of bathrooms is there's a lot of type of these bathrooms in places in that country, and I think that we just need to get used to this type of bathrooms.
I'm talking about the inconvenience. You are talking about getting used to it.
Okay. For the inconvenience, I think that it is convenient. I don't feel bothered having the same line with women to get on the toilet, and gender neutral bathrooms provide a lot of stalls just like any other bathrooms, so we can still have privacy inside of these bathrooms.